Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we will learn how to switch to any other Wi-Fi network on Windows 11 computer. It's a very straightforward and very easy process. There are many ways through which we will be doing it. So the very first way is to press the window and A as an alpha key together. So the moment you press that, you will see your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flight mode, battery saver, accessibility, and project. So please make sure if your Wi-Fi, the flight mode should not be turned on, and you just need to click or just a right arrow key, and here you will find a lot of Wi-Fi. If you have a Wi-Fi list, if you are living in an apartment, you will have a list of your Wi-Fi network available. So whatever is your Wi-Fi network, you just need to select that, and you can simply connect that. And before connecting, you can put a check mark on it so that next time when you turn on the laptop, you will not have to do it manually. It will automatically connect whenever you will turn on your laptop. So this is how you can switch to any other Wi-Fi network or an alternative Wi-Fi network. The second way is to do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And here at the left hand side, you will find network and internet. And here as well, you can go to Wi-Fi and show available network. There is an option, and here you will find the list of available Wi-Fi network. So in this manner, you can connect to different Wi-Fi network, and you can set it. You can put the check mark automatic, connect automatically. So next time you don't have to do it manually every time. So that will be very convenient. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. And guys, if your Wi-Fi is running slow and if you want to switch to any other, 2.4 gigahertz bandwidth to 5 gigahertz bandwidth in your laptop, then you can watch this tutorial at the end of this video, and that will be very helpful. Guys, please leave a comment if you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care, guys.